this question here, the reason why this is a bit trickier is because the bottom contains two separate x's there. Now what you've got to do is you've got to combine those two to make it into one term. So this here is x to the power of 1, and this here is x to the power of a half. So we could rewrite that as x squared minus 4x over x to the power of 1, x to the power of a half. When you multiply together indices, you have to add together the powers, which means that can be rewritten as x squared minus 4x over x to the power of 3 over 2. Now to differentiate this, we've got to get ready for differentiation, so we're going to split up this fraction into two separate terms. So it's x to the power of 2 over x to the power of 3 over 2 minus 4 over x to the power of 3 over 2. Okay, so now that's in two separate terms. Now we've got to get all the indices up onto the top. So we can do 2 take away 3 over 2 is the same as x to the power of a half. This one here, the power there is 1, so 1 take away 3 over 2 is x to the power of minus a half. And now that is ready for differentiation. And just to finish it off, differentiate that, you end up with a half x, so you're multiplying by the power, and then you take away 1 from the power. And this next one here, again, you multiply it by a power, so minus a half times minus 4 is 2, plus 2. You take away 1 from the power, it becomes 3 over 2, minus 3 over 2. And just to finish that all off, we can put all the powers onto the bottom. Because they're negative powers. And then we can also write it using surds. So x to the power of a half is the same as the root of x, and this one here is the same as, it's the root of x cubed. There we go, that's what dy by dx is.